Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Santol in syrup. Santol is one of the food that will benefit from preserving it, even though it's not easy over lips. It has a thick layer and only the soft inside for the seed is edible. Santol preserving is in sugar syrup. It's not only for storage purpose but for the good thing eating as well, because it's already sweetened and it's very delicious. The first thing we're gonna make the salt water. This one will help the Santol is not black or not dark, and it's always white and pink. And also it removes some taste that is not really good from the Santol and make it more delicious. We use 1 liter of the water and 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt and then mix it well. This one is our Santol. You can see in the market have the biggest or smallest like this because this one is in my hometown and then it's natural. When you get the Santol and then you peel thinly. And then we gonna cut like this. You just try to make a little pieces per one cut continuously until it's complete. This one will help for all the syrup and all the salt water is come inside and make the taste is very good all the Santol. And then we gonna press like this to make it break a bit, and then put into the salt water that we prepare in beginning. And continue to do it until it's finished. Then keep it for one night. And after one night, we gonna make the syrup and put into the syrup. And this one is after one night. And then we remove all the water out by press on the Santol. So the next step, we gonna make the syrup. We just use 1 liter of the water and 500 grams of the sugar, and then mix it well and put on the heat. We're gonna use low to medium heat until the sugar is dissolved, and then continue to heat it for about 5 minutes. In case you want the syrup is more thickened, you can take a bit of time for heat it. But for me, I like it more dilute and then not too sweet when we eat. And then we go into put the drained food into the syrup. And then we will keep in the freezer for one night. And after this process, you can keep more longer, like 1 month or more than this. And then will make it more delicious because all the syrup is absorbed inside of the food. And now it's ready, and after we keep it for one night in refrigerator, and then we remove it, and when we serve we just add some ice and eat together, and it's more fresh and so delicious. And now it's ready. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe and like this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.